Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a XIAOMI 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find passwords and security. And as you can see here, we've got the whole section connected with this screen lock. And here we've got the fingerprint unlock. But before we will enter it, I highly recommend to set the screen lock. It is a kind of a backup pattern, and you will not be able to add the fingerprint without the screen lock. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So it's really important, and as I said, your device will not allow you to add the fingerprint without it. So first of all, just set the screen lock, or just tap on the fingerprint and you will be transferred to the screen lock options. If you've got the screen lock set, then just tap on the fingerprint. As you can see, you will have to enter it to confirm everything. Here we've got about in-screen fingerprint sensor, which simply means that the fingerprint sensor is localized right here in the or actually under the screen. So it's quite important to use a verified screen protectors, because they may affect the usage of the sensor. So it may be, for example, not as sensitive as it should be. So just tap on got it, and as you can see here, we've got the fingerprint scanner. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply put our finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. Of course, change the position of your finger to add all of the edges, all of the areas, of course, for better recognition. Your device will ask you if you want to add also the face data. I don't want to do that, so just tap on cancel and tap on done. As you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint, and we've been transferred also to the options connected to the fingerprint. This is obviously the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it, we can rename it. So why not? Let me rename it. It was my index finger. Here from the step, you can also remove the fingerprint if you want to. As you can see, we just renamed it. We can of course add another fingerprint, and I'm not really sure, but I think you can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Right here you can decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so on the lock screen, which is defaultly turned on, but also the privacy passwords, app lock shortcuts, or fingerprint payments. It's really up to you how you want to customize it. Under it, you've got the fingerprint animation. You can just tap on it and change the animations. Oh, look at it, how pretty. So just tap on the one you'd like to set, and it will be applied. Here you can also decide if you want to use or feel the vibration while unlocking. So I don't know, it's again up to you. Here we've got also other options like low light fingerprint unlock and show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Again, up to your preferences. Let me lock the device and let's check if it is actually working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, which is right here, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your XIAOMI 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.